Hello my friends and welcome back. As promised, here is an update on my son Eric's tattoo removal, and one of my good friend's daughter got initials in black on her finger, and we're gonna see how this process works on that. This is my son Eric, and he got a tattoo about 8 years ago.
I was like, what do women think are cute? And I was like, a kiss mark. So
how old were you? Like 18?
Early 20s.
Okay.
Early 20s. Whatever 20-year-olds think. And so I get it, and then now I'm at the age where I have a professional career going on, and so I was like, you know what, this does not look good anymore. I'm gonna get it removed. Reds, pinks, greens, yellows, all those colors, the tattoo removal places never want to remove because the laser doesn't pinpoint those light of colors. So the Muse decided to figure a way to remove it, and this is my, I think, 5th treatment.
Is it your 5th?
I think it's my 5th.
Your 5th, okay.
My 5th treatment, and so hopefully, so I'm thinking 1 or 2 more treatments, it should be gone actually. So I think this method is very, very good.
Are you excited?
Yes, very.
So you've lasered how many times?
3 or 4.
On this.
Yes.
Let's see what we can do.
Yes, I'm excited.
You ready?
I think so.
Okay. I don't know if you can see how far I have the needle sticking out, but it's just probably the width of a piece of rice. Not the length, but the width is about how far it's sticking out. Otherwise it drags.
Okay.
And I have my hypertonic saline. I've squirted it in here because I don't want to touch this bottle, because everything that's on here that's not covered in plastic has to be thrown away.
I haven't gotten a tattoo in a while.
Oh, do you want some crazy music? Does that help you?
I guess it could.
Put something that you really love on. Because you know, in a tattoo shop, you've got the music going.
Right? Yeah. That's
Yeah.
true.
Uh-huh.
Maybe I'll just play solitaire too. Give me focus. I love
Okay,
solitaire.
do that. Do whatever.
Hit Malibu straight through LA. Let your hair fall into your face. See my smile, ocean eyes. It's too hard to feel this cold.
Okay, here comes the salt.
Feels good knowing you're like scrubbing it away.
Yeah. There you go. So how you doing, Ashley?
Good. It's not as bad as I thought.
Look at that, Eric. I'm just scrubbing and scrubbing her, and she's just sitting here. You can't put anything on this. Okay, there, it's done. Look at that. Okay, it's done.
Yay.
Finished.
Awesome.
You're just gonna let this dry.
Okay, so don't wipe like any of the blood off or anything?
No,
Okay.
I mean, no, because you don't want to wipe any of your salt off.
Yeah, okay.
So, it's been about an hour since we've done this. Her blood that's on the side of her finger looks darker than regular blood. It almost looks like her body is already starting to push the ink out. I feel like I'm looking at ink on the outside of your skin there.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so there we go. This is treatment 1. Woohoo!
Yes.
Definitely crusty, and it's hard. That's good. It's almost gone. Are you excited?
Yes. Very.
Are you wanting it off?
Yeah.
How about you, Eric?
It's almost off, so I'm happy.
So as I always say, please do not just do something because you saw it on YouTube. Always do your own research, and I love sharing with my friends here on YouTube. And if you want to be updated on all of the things that we do here, please subscribe. Have a wonderful day.